Which Motorola has refreshed its G smartphone series with the launch of the Moto G9 Power in India. What this device brings to the table? Let's have a look in this first impression video. Motorola recently introduced two G series smartphones in India, the Moto G5G and the Moto G9 Power are the company's latest entries in the mid-range smartphone segment. The former is grabbing all the attention for its cheap price tag despite being a 5G smartphone. The latter is a standard 4G smartphone but is well rounded when it comes to hardware. The Moto G9 Power is announced under Rs 12,000 price segment in the country. There are several players in this segment that have been launched in the recent times. A major chunk is dominated by Chinese brands such as Realme, Xiaomi and others. The Moto G9 Power takes on its rival with features such as the Snapdragon 662 processor, a 64 megapixel triple lens setup and a humongous 6000 mAh battery unit. We got our hands on the latest Motorola offering and are sharing its good, bad and the X factor. Motorola has equipped the Moto G9 Power with 3 rear cameras. The unit comes with a 64 megapixel primary sensor, a 2 megapixel macro sensor and a 2 megapixel depth lens. The camera UI is clean and offers several shooting modes to enhance the imaging experience. By default, the camera clicks 16 megapixel pixel binge shots. However, ultra resolution mode will let you capture 64 megapixel images. It also offers HDR, portrait, panorama and spot color shooting modes. There is a dedicated night vision feature as well with which you can capture all images in low light condition. In our brief testing, the device performed well in general scenarios where the lighting is ample. While we are yet to test the camera to its full potential, it appears well endowed for a notch above the basic photography. Video recording supported here is 1080p at 60 fps. You can also record slow motion and time-lapse videos using the rear camera. Coming to the selfie setup. The device uses a 16 megapixel camera with an f2.2 aperture for the same. The AI-enabled selfie snapper has ample clarity. There is a group selfie feature which you can enable from the camera settings for wide-angle selfies. The front cam also has the option for self-portraits. You just need to toggle on the portrait mode before clicking a shot. The software-based bokeh effects blur intensity can be adjusted manually. The Motorola Moto G9 Power ships with Android 10 OS. The device offers a stock Android experience. The clean UI comes free of bloatware and pre-installed third-party apps. The device has gesture-based navigation toggled on by default. You get basic Android 10 elements such as digital well-being and others. The unit is backed by the Snapdragon 662 SoC which is built on 11nm architecture. The octa-core processor clocks over 2 GHz and is paired with Adreno 610 GPU. The device can render high-end graphics with ease. It is announced in a single 4GB RAM and 128GB storage option. To suffice the storage needs, the unit also has up to 512GB microSD card support. The handset is good at multitasking, no lags as such. Gaming also seems decent. We will be giving detailed feedback on its performance in the coming days. The Motorola Moto G9 Power has one of the tallest displays in its segment. The device adorns a 6.8-inch panel which has standard 720x1640 pixel HD+ resolution. It is an IPS LCD panel that offers pixel density of 263 ppi and an 83.1% screen-to-body ratio. While the output is crisp, the big form factor would have been complemented better with an FHD+ resolution. You will still be able to play 720p videos online. Brightness levels are average. You will have slight difficulties in watching the content under direct sunlight. Also, the panel has a standard 60Hz refresh rate. The competitions are currently offering a 90Hz panel. Take for instance the Realme Narzo and the Realme 7 series. A higher refresh rate would have solidified the deal. The Motorola Moto G9 Power's biggest drawback is its bulky form factor. The unit features a textured rear panel. There is a circular fingerprint scanner which is placed at the back panel with the Moto logo inscribed. The hefty form factor makes it difficult to operate the device with a single hand. You will be comfortable with basic scrolling on web page and texting. Anything extensive would require both hands. The other disadvantage here is hybrid SIM slot. While the device has support for dual SIM cards, the absence of dedicated microSD slot will let you use only one SIM card and an SD card at a moment. The Moto G9 Power uses a 6000 mAh beefy battery to keep the lights on. This size battery seems to be the new norm for the mid-range smartphone segment. The hardware is also on the lighter end, which helps the device to give a longer backup. On average, the device lasts more than a day on a single charge. The company has added 20-watt fast charging in the mix as well. The fast charging support with this big battery is undeniably the X factor here. Is it a hit or a miss? The Moto G9 Power is a mixed bag altogether. The unit has some good set of internals. The triple lens imaging setup and a big 6000 mAh battery are what makes the device worth a buy. However, the bulky form factor and an HD Plus display is where it loses its edge. A high-end display would have done the trick here. Nevertheless, the device offers a stock Android experience which allows for a premium user experience.